So we're here at this Exxon gas station, Montgomery, Alabama, and we're actually heading back to Atlanta from Florida, but this is kind of jacked up, and we're seeing this firsthand, these increases in fuel prices. Let me show you what it looks like. So we're at $4.59 for 93 octane. And you can see here that diesel's $4.49, and this is actually lower than we've seen so far on I-65 and I-85. We saw diesel at $4.89 a few exits back. And you said that this is going to be a problem for
shortages. This is going to be a problem for shortages in the future. It's not going to be a shortage issue because we don't have the materials. It's going to be a shortage issue because truckers can't afford to bring it to you, especially owner-operators who have to pay for their own fuel when they're not going to get paid more to make the deliveries. If they're not getting paid more per mile, what's the point in working?
These truckers, they've already picked up the loads at a rate, but now the prices are so high. This is going to eat into their profit, which is probably already pretty skinny as it is. In addition to the fact that they're probably going to have to pay factoring just to get paid, which has a cost too. But then it's like, well, they got to pass this price hike, this increase on. So then it goes to the end, wherever the delivery's going, which ultimately means it's going to cost more for
the consumer. For me, for you, for your mom, for your kids, for everybody you know, it's going to cost more in the long run, all because gas prices are...
Or loads get dropped, food doesn't get delivered, and then we have food shortages.
And then we have food